A few days ago, the Microsoft Store on Xbox was updated to the new experience. Let's take a first look. So here it is. Here is the new Xbox Store. So what you're seeing in front of you, I did a alpha, kind of like an alpha build that was published, I guess, barely published. You had to like look and code really well in order to get it working on your Windows 10 computer. But this, like I said in the intro, is the full edition. It should be available on your console as well at home. I am running this on the OG 2013 Xbox One, so the speed may not be the same as what you have. If you don't have that version, you might have like the newer 1S or even the 1X. But here it is on Xbox One, and right now, right off the bat, I gotta say, this looks clean. This looks clean, clean, clean. Like this this looks like one of the cleanest things Microsoft has done for Xbox in a while. Like this, the animations aren't perfect just because this is barely running even at, I think it said on my settings, it said it was barely running at 50 hertz. Even though this monitor can go upwards to 120 hertz. I don't believe that the original Xbox One could even do anything higher than like 60 hertz. So this is really clean even for that. Starting on your side here, you got your usual search, home, games, movies and TV, apps, hardware, which lets you purchase hardware like the infamous hardware box that I still can't even get my hands on. Over here, the Xbox Series X, you can purchase it right there in the store. So if you click it, you can see it's out of stock, but you can also add it to your wish list right there. There's a lot of really nice clean looks in this whole console. You can see that it has 120 hertz. They kind of laid it out really crisp and really sharp. Nice animations, very fluid, very fluent even. I haven't used that thing in a long time. I haven't used that terminology in a while. You can see the wish list. If I go down to wish list and you hit view wish list, then you can see what I recently viewed for my wish list. And if I want something in my wish list, I can also just press start and just hit it, and there you go, you see it, and then it pops up Windbound is in my wish list. It's actually also in my cart as well, but again, this is just the wish list. You can clear your recent just by clicking that, and then you do have no recents in your wish list. It's really, really, really clean. Like this is one of the nicest things I've seen. I say it over and over again. I'm gonna say it a lot in this video. This is the nicest things I've seen. There's the cart right front and center. As long as you go into the menu right from any screen, you can see your cart, you can see this whole menu here, and it's clean. You can redeem your codes same way as before. Going back as well, you can also just see a whole bunch of just niceness. So going down here, you got settings, and you can autoplay, disable motion, all motion and video. So if you want it to be a little smoother, you can disable motion and it won't do too much crazy motion. Going down a little bit more, I'm going to re-enable motion. You can autoplay sound or autoplay video. Personally, for me, I don't like autoplaying video. I like to just click on it when I'm ready. So this lets you do that. So I'm going to disable that. Going through again, this is my first look. It just looks really nice at my first look. Let's go back to home and just go to store home. So right there off the top, obviously the latest news for today was Rocket League is now free to play for everybody. So as long as you have Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which includes Gold, you can play Rocket League online as much as you want for free without having to pay for the game itself. But you can see here they have the search, they have deals, subscriptions, they have Resident Evil sales, they have the games. So you have your top new games coming soon, top free, paid, best rated. Then you have all the games related to Game Pass, and it looks like these are the highlighted games. But actually, no, you see it has all games A to Z, recently added most popular shooters, action RPGs. I'm pretty sure action RPGs is just there because I clicked on it, because there's more than just shooters and action adventure RPGs. But that's just what I'm interested in, so it's probably just sorting it for that. You got your movies too with the new releases, trending, top rentals, 4K sale. If there was a 4K sale, then it'll show up here like I have it. You have your TV shows, you have apps, so you can see all the apps available. You can sort them, top entertainment apps and so on. Again, consoles, accessories, you can shop. Basically, this is like the Microsoft Store that should be on the Windows 10, but it's not. It's on Xbox right now, and it looks really clean at first glance. I'm going to close it out just by going into a few things. So let's say the latest game here, top new games here. We have, let's say we want to go down to Crisis Remastered, right? Let's say we want to destroy the Xbox One by trying Crisis Remastered. This is how game screens look like. So you can see it kind of feels like the Sony kind of setup right there. You see it says recently released, which is nice. It's got a little sparkle, but it kind of feels like the Sony where you go up and then you see the trailer and you go down and you can see more description. It's kind of like the PlayStation styling of it, only it's in Microsoft's font style, Microsoft's UI design style. And you even see at the bottom right there, you see that it says Xbox Series X and S and Xbox One supported. So obviously this will work for those consoles. The screenshots, nice and crisp. You can just see screenshots real easily. Everything is just smooth. I'm pressing it, you're hearing me press it, and it's just smooth. Reviews, you know, you can see it says here worth $30 if your console can handle it. So again, it's everything here is just I'm just wowed. I'm very wowed. I've been playing games on PC for a while, and I kind of neglected my Xbox One just because I couldn't get the One X before it was sold out. I couldn't even been able to pre-order the Series X or S even. So like I kind of neglected it, just working on the PC side just for those reasons. But this looks really clean. Every game here you can buy, you can add to wish list if I want to. I can gift it for 2 people. I can add it to cart, and then you can see you can view the cart or keep shopping. If I view the cart, you see Windbound in the cart. You can check out and move forward. Everything is smooth, everything is fluid, everything is clean. And when I hit the Xbox guide button and I go back home, one of the key features that Microsoft said with this whole thing was that the transition between cold booting the app to bringing it up is next to seamless. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I click on an app that I might have installed. Let's say I want to go to, I don't know. Let's say I want to go to let's go to something I don't really open. Let's go to the Xbox Insider Hub beta. So if I open up Xbox Insider Hub, obviously this isn't optimized, but this is running on the original Xbox One, so it's not that fast compared to the recent console. It's going to take some time to load. So I'll jump into it when it finishes loading. So just now it finished loading. So here's the Xbox Insider Hub. Now if I go out and I want to switch over to the store is actually, if you press the guide button, you go over to the bottom, you hit store, it loads so fast. Before it used to take a while to load and it was kind of crunchy and just hard to do anything, and now it seems like it's loading really fast. So let me close out this video by just saying, in summary, and I'm gonna say it again, I love this. Microsoft, keep doing this. This is the kind of thing I expect from a software company like Microsoft. Obviously they're branching out into hardware too, but from a software primarily focused company, I expect this kind of fluidity in conjunction with your own first-party hardware. And this is what I want to see going forward. This is what I want to see, obviously, for the Series X and S and everything going forward. I want to see it smooth. So I love this. I want you guys to go take a look at this new design. I think it came with a new dashboard because I see that I have the new layout. I want you guys to take a look at it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm going to keep playing with this and seeing what I love more about it. And maybe I'll have another chat about the Xbox store as a whole. Who knows? Might be boring. Who knows? But my name is Kwaku. Hope you guys have a fantastic day and probably fantastic weekend, because it is going to be the Thursday's upload. Take care, everybody.